E O quarterly consumption of materials. (2000 kg). Cost of placing one order. This is nothing but ₹50. Cost per unit ₹40. Storage and carrying cost 8% of the average inventory. Now how to solve EOQ? All of you know economic order quantity is equal to 2AB by CS. This formula we have already discussed in the previous class. A is equal to annual consumption. These are the notations, annual consumption. But in our problem, consumption per quarter is given. Means in a year 4 quarters. So 2000 units of kgs of consumption for 4 quarters. Per quarter 2000. So for 4 quarters is equal to how much? 2 into 4, 8. 8000 kg. Next B. P is equal to cost of placing one order. Cost of placing one order already given in the problem, which is 50 rupees. Now C is equal to cost per unit, given in the problem as ₹40. S is equal to storage cost given as 8%. This is also available in the problem given. Now let us find out first CS. CS is equal to, that is cost per unit 40 rupees into storage cost 8%. So 40 into 8 by 100. So which is 3.2. Therefore EOQ is equal to 2 as it is A is equal to 8000 units or kgs into B is equal to 50 rupees, that is order cost divided by 3.2 under root. Therefore EOQ is equal to 500 kg. Apart from asking EOQ in the problem, sometimes they may ask number of orders to be placed either per annum or per quarter. In our problem, quarter information is given, like quarterly consumption of material is given. So assume that they are also asking number of orders per quarter. So number of orders per quarter, number of orders per quarter is equal to 2000 kg is what? Consumption per quarter. And economic order quantity to maintain this consumption is 500 kgs. So is equal to how many orders per quarter? 4 orders. At a time, if you order 500 kg per quarter, you have to place 4 orders. Similarly, if number of orders per annum is equal to 4 orders per quarter into 4 quarters is equal to 16 orders. But question is asked up to computation of EOQ. If they ask number of orders per quarter, 4. If they ask number of orders per annum, 16 orders. Welcome back to illustration 2 on economic order quantity, part of materials cost accounting. In illustration 2, information given is company manufactures 5000 units of a product per month. So number of units produced per month is given, which is 5000 units. Next, cost of placing an order is 100 rupees per order. The purchase price of raw material is 10 rupees. This is cost per unit. Next, the reorder period is 4 to 8 weeks. It varies between 4 to 8 weeks. Minimum reorder period is 4 weeks. Maximum reorder period is 8 weeks. The consumption of raw material varies from 100 to 450 kgs per week. So in a week, least consumption is 100 units and maximum consumption is 450 kgs. The average consumption being 275 kgs. Again, this is also per week. So minimum is 100, maximum is 450 and average consumption is 275 kg per week. Carrying cost of inventory is 20% per annum. This 20% we have to compute on cost per unit. In our problem, what is the cost per unit? 10 rupees. So you are required to calculate EOQ, which is also known as reorder quantity and reorder level. So we have to compute two. One is EOQ, the other one is reorder level. Let us start with the first. A. Solution, we take the first EOQ. Very simple equation which we know and already used in the illustration 1. 2AB by CS. A is equal to annual consumption. Annual consumption. Now what is available in the problem? Annual consumption is not available, weekly consumption is available. Average consumption being 275 kgs per week. In a week, lowest is given, highest is given and average is given. Then we have to consider the average consumption per week. 275 kgs per week. But we require not per week but annum. Means this is the consumption per week. In a year we have 52 weeks. So by using calculator, 275 into 52. I am using my calculator. 14,300 units are mentioned as kgs. B is equal to order cost. Cost of ordering or order cost. Fairly given in the problem. Cost of placing an order is 100 rupees. So let us take as it is rupees 100. Now C is equal to cost per unit. This is also given in the problem. Purchase price of raw material is rupees 10. This rupees 10 is cost per unit. And finally S is what? Storage cost, which is given as 20% per annum. 20% per annum. Now EOQ we can compute by substituting the values. 2 into annual consumption is 14,300 into B is rupees 100 divided by CS, 10 into 20%, 20 by 100 under root. Now equal to 2 into 14,300 into 100 divided by 10 rupees into 20% means 2 rupees. So 2 to cancel, then we have under root of 14,300 into 100 means 143,000 and into 100 is 00 under root means what? 14,30,000 under root. So by using the calculator we find out the under root value of 14,30,000, which is equal to 1196 units. 1196 kgs or units approximately. So EOQ is this. Now we have to even compute the other thing asked, which is reorder level. At what level we have to place our order, for which formula is already discussed in the previous class. Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. So both are available in our problem. Let us see. Consumption is given. Consumption of raw material varies from 100 to 450. Minimum consumption is how much? 100. Maximum consumption is how much? 450. So what we require while calculating the reorder level? We require maximum consumption, so which is 450 kgs. At the same time, maximum reorder period. Reorder period is also varying between 4 and 8 weeks. So we require maximum period, which is 8 weeks. Therefore, maximum consumption is 450 kgs, which is given in the problem, into maximum reorder period, that is also given 8 weeks. Therefore, reorder level is equal to, make use of your calculator, 450 into 8 is equal to 3600 kgs. Again, welcome back to illustration 3, computation of economic order quantity, part of materials chapter, cost accounting. Illustration 3, from the following calculate economic order quantity. Very simple question. What is given? Annual demand. It is also called as consumption, 2400 units. Unit price, 2 rupee 40 paisa. Ordering cost per order, 4 rupees. Storage cost, 2% per annum. Interest rate, 10% per annum. Now this is a new item given in the question. Additional information that we are observing here. In the previous two illustrations, that is illustration 1 and 2, such interest rate is not given. Up to storage cost only given, which was in percentage in the previous problems also. Now, to start with, economic order quantity is equal to 2AB by CS under root. Notations. A is equal to annual consumption, annual demand or annual consumption, 2400 units. B, ordering cost rupees 4 given in the problem. C, cost per unit 2 rupee 40 paise. Up to here, just as it is taken from the question. But as storage cost, small difference between the two previous illustrations and this illustration. Storage cost is 2% and interest rate is 10%. Both we have to add when we calculate the storage cost. Storage cost includes all the holding expenses. Once the material reaches to the company, it is stored in a warehouse where different types of costs are incurred, such as godown rent, salaries of the employees of the godown, and interest paid on the investment made on the material. So in this case, all expenses are shown in the form of storage cost, which is 2%. Interest is 10% per annum on the investment made on the raw material is 10%. So these two are part and parcel of holding cost. Therefore, 2% plus 10% is equal to storage cost is now 12%. Once you understand this, then remaining problem or remaining computation is, it's a school going boy job. With the assumption of you understood this, let me start with the computation part. EOQ is equal to, substitute all the values in the equation. EOQ is equal to 2 into A is equal to 2400 into B is equal to 4 rupees divided by C into S. C is equal to 2 rupee 40 paisa into 12 by 100 under root. Therefore 2 into 2400 into 4 you keep as it is, but first compute 2 rupee 40 paisa into 12 by 100. Take your calculator. I am also using my calculator. Then with the help of calculator you finish this part. I'm getting entire, after finishing all the calculations you will get 258 units after all the values including the under root. So the only difference between the previous problem and this problem is adding these two, that is storage cost as well as interest rate. Interest rate is also part of holding cost. So this way you have to compute. So instead of following number of steps, straight away I have used the calculator and showing the 258 units. But in the examination you have to show the at least further 2 to 3 steps, like 2 into 2400 into 4 by this value, again divide this, and finally find out the value with the help of under root, which is 258 units, which is EOQ, which is asked by the examiner. So here we are not stopping. After this I have two more questions for you, that is illustration 4 and illustration 5. Both are simple in nature. You have to do on your own these two exercises. Find out EOQ from the following. XY company requires 1500 units per month. This you have to observe very carefully. In few of the previous problems per week is given, and here we are having the 1500 units per month. Means you have to convert these values per annum. Means 1500 units into 12 is equal to, you will get the yearly value. Next, cost per unit 27 rupees, cost per order 150 rupees, carrying cost 20% of the average inventory. Always average inventory cost is only given, so you take as it is 20% on cost per order, cost per unit, that is 27 rupees into 20%. This way you have to compute the EOQ. Then some hints also given, two hints also given for your cross check. EOQ 1000 units is the answer. Number of orders per annum is 18. After computation you can cross check with these two answers. Now another and last exercise is exercise number 5, illustration number 5. Calculate EOQ from the following. All the direct values given in the illustration. Annual consumption 1 lakh units. Now if you see the difference in the previous illustration, consumption is given 1500, but it is per month. Now here it is given 1 lakh units per annum annual consumption. So you can take directly 1 lakh units as it is. Ordering cost 50 rupees per order, carrying cost 8% of the average stock, cost per unit is 20 rupees. So all these values are ready-madely given. Now I'll give you a hint also here. I am taking this value from one of the books, which is a part of BCom paper, exam paper of Kerala University, where EOQ is equal to 2500 units. After computing, you cross check with this answer. Dear students, we had gone through 3 illustrations. All 3 illustrations also related to short answer questions, generally which are given in the section A of your semester end examinations. And for your practice, illustration 4 and 5 also given. You practice on your own and cross check with the hints given in the illustration 4 and illustration 5. If you have still any doubt or clarification required, ping in the chat box. Whenever I will go through your doubt or clarification required, sure I will respond and I'll clarify your doubts. Thank you.